shadows dance and gleam. There's a machine that whispers in the night. Its gears and circuits hum a secret theme. A transformation, a journey, a flight. Through the circuits, through the wires, a spark ignites, a new life stirs. In the heart of the machine, a soul awakens, a young woman, a new dawn breaks. In the heart of the machine, a transformation, a new beginning. From the ashes of the past, a young woman, a new dawn rising. In the mirror, a face she doesn't know, a reflection of a future yet to come. Her eyes, they shine with a new glow. A young woman, a new dawn begun. Through the circuits, through the wires, a spark ignites, a new life stirs. In the heart of the machine, a soul awakens, a young woman, a new dawn breaks. In the heart of the machine, a transformation, a new beginning. From the ashes of the past, a young woman, a new dawn rising. In the silence, in the dark, a new light, a new spark. A young woman, a new dawn. In the heart of the machine,